How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, everyone? This is Analyzing with El Dorado Effects. As you know, this is not financial advice. It's only our view, what we think happens in the market. And as usual, we go for the simple things for our time frame, giving you very good kit prices and zones that you can check and follow and confirm with your basically analysis. So talking about gold straight away. Sorry for the interaction. This is what it is. So the moment gold has been consolidating, as we can see, and the price is big breakout to see the direction. But for now, we're gonna try to keep buying, especially if we see the confirmation of the break of this price here, 550, 5050. So we see 5,050 breaking that open the door to 5,120 to be retested at least. The short-term prices. So just have a look of that. This is the zone that we're gonna be looking either for sales or buys if you want to check for the key prices reaction. And also if we see the trend line breaking, the price that we want that to hold is 4,965. So if the price wants to hold above, very likely we're gonna keep going into the consolidation and because we are in a bullish range, very likely that we're gonna keep going up. But in the scenario that we have the breakout and then will be a retest of this zone, 4,934 to 4,905. So very careful with this move, and then just check for confirmations. Very simple and very straightforward, guys. As usual, check for the zones and go with the flow. That's the only thing we can tell you guys. So going to the daily time frame, very quickly. We're talking about Bitcoin right now on the daily. So what we're expecting on Bitcoin to happen is that at least Bitcoin, if it keeps respecting this price, very likely that it's gonna come up, take some liquidity, and then drop again and try to retest at least the trend line or below the trend line. So just be very careful. And as you know, and this is basically what's been going on, but we see the price that is consolidating at the moment on Bitcoin. If we see the daily time frame, so very clear that we see that here. Okay, so now El Dorado effects free for you guys. So we have free signals for you in gold, 1 to 2 signals per day. But we're going to highlight the week last week was 735 pips, 9 signals we sent, 8 wins and 1 SL. Congratulations for those who invested with us. That means $1, 1 peso, 1 pound, whatever you invested, 735. 1 equals 735. Imagine that. Very incredible. And we started today very good with signals as well, providing more than 70 pips in signals already. So congratulations for those who are El Dorado FX free. So we have news, guys, but low volatility news tomorrow. Today was US bank holiday. That is why the market moved the way it moved. So you saw what happened, all right? So today wasn't that interesting because it was US holiday. Tomorrow we're going back to normal. Sorry, Tuesday, yeah, we're going back to normal. And then we have news until Friday. High volatility news Wednesday until Friday. So yes, that's what it is. Hopefully tomorrow you have a better day. Take it easy and see you in the next video. This was Analyzing with the Effects. See you next time. Bye-bye.